Today we are on an adventure and we are going to Dunsiver in Let's go, let's go, let's go. On our way. Let's see if we can open some of the dolphins today. Nonetheless, we are on our way to down the river. We're here at Dunsiver Fall. Let's see what today has in stores for us. Yeah, we're going to climb the fall. We're going to the beach. You know, Tanisha loves water. The camera girl loves every type of water. So let's go, let's go, let's go. Woo! So we're at the Tranquility Garden. Can you see how tranquilizing it is? Look at that tree. Whoa, look. This is nature, guys. So we're at Dunsiver. See this water is going to take us all the way down to the falls. Just giving you guys a preview of what the Tranquility Garden looks like. Beautiful, beautiful, guys. Beautiful, beautiful. See that spider right here? Can you see? Go. Look, see how green the grass is? Oh my god. Look at this, guys. Look at this beauty. Look at this beauty right here. This is beautiful. Okay guys, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. We are walking down to the river falls. So just because of COVID, a lot of things over here are closed. You see all those shops over there? Yeah. It's this way to the beach. Real. No, false exit. To the beach. To the beach. Don't forget the locker. Because the exit will come, sorry. To the beach. Time. Which way to the beach? This side, right? Does it matter left or right? Okay. Going down to the falls. Look, we're gonna have to climb that over there. Can you see it? That over there. That. So let's go. Nature right here. Let's go. Let me watch my step. I don't want to fall. This staircase take us all the way down to the beach.